if the Fed is a little less behind, then there might not be a need to cut as much or as aggressively out of the gate, which also means that might change what the vibes are for the neutral rate as well, which ultimately changes the investment thesis if you're looking further out. So what type of trade does a report like this initiate for investors who are trying to wrap their mind around a move that they need to make either during today's trading session or prior to the opening bell as they're charting their strategy?
Well, I think right now, Brad, it's tough, at least for us, to chase this equity market. And as I said, we're underweight long-term fixed income because we just think rates are too low and they are going to go higher. So I think right now you have to be patient. We've tried to make adjustments, whether it's the October 2023 correction that we had, or this very brief correction we had in early August, to really take money out of bonds and put it towards equities, large cap equities. I mean, I think that's what you want to try to do when you have that opportunity. And right now, if you look at some of the best performing sectors out there lately, utilities, real estate, we would be taking money out of those sectors and really rotating into the things we like industrials and materials and financials and things like that. So I think patience is very key here, which is really tough for retail investors a lot of times. But you have to be ready when you get these corrections that inevitably come. You need to be ready to pull the trigger and step in. So the outlook, if you have a 3, 4, 5+ year outlook, you need to be buying on pullbacks here, because in our opinion, you're moving towards a more modest growth, modest inflation type of an environment over time that tends to be good for stocks. We don't think we're going to see a recession, but every time when the Fed's adjusting rates, there's always uncertainty about that. We have other uncertainty going on clearly around the world, Middle East being one of them. That provides opportunity. So know what you want to buy, be ready to go, and when and if you get that opportunity, you need to be ready to step in.